Welcome to the financial forecast, how to read the dashboard. The dashboard is divided into 5 different blocks. Each of them is going to provide you with useful information to support your trading or investment decision. The first block is showing persistence. It reflects the strength of the memory, or how the past movements are influencing the new ones. We can identify 3 movements: upward, downward, and sideways. The higher the percentage, the higher the chance to continue developing the moments in that direction. The next block, called stats, display the main statistics, and the strength of bulls and bears for the last 233 periods, and for the time frame indicated at the top. We can find the speed per hour of the price action, the mean of the movements, and the standard deviation. It shows how far the movements deviate from the mean. Based on this, we know we have approximately 68% chances of prices moving 180 pips in the current period. For the strength, we need to focus on the pairs. Minimum and maximum average, reflecting the negative and positive movements. And the minimum and maximum, the strongest upward and downward movements. If both maximums are higher than the minimum in absolute value, then bulls are stronger. If not, bears are dominating. But if you have, like in this case, one for the bulls and one for the bears, means there is a balance. In the middle, we can identify another 2 blocks: correlation and spectrum. Correlation is useful to detect those instruments that are behaving similar. For example, when you are looking for more support in what are going to be the most probable future movements. Ideally, the correlation should be higher than 0.7. Or when you want to develop a hedging strategy. For this, the bests are the uncorrelated instruments, that means correlations close to 0. This will help you to protect your investment and build a safer portfolio. The spectrum shows you how movements are distributed. It is curious to see the symmetry present in all the financial instruments between positives and negatives. This indicator tends to the balance, and the deviation is captured by the arrow in the top right corner. Finally, at the bottom, we find the speed cycle. This reveals how the speed of price action changes from positive to negative and vice versa, creating irregular cycles. These cycles are captured and projected to the future in the color lines. This way we know what to expect for the coming movements. The orange line is the forecast, and the other 2 lines create a probability band based on the volatility, so we know this way we have 68% chances of finding the next speed inside the band. And on the right side, we can find the overall trend. As a result of a combination of all the blocks in the dashboard. We hope you find this video useful. Thanks for choosing the financial forecast.